So you've just installed Premiere Pro, and every time you try to record some audio on top of your video clip, you're going to get that annoying feedback echo as you're recording the audio. Now, I don't know why Premiere Pro has this echo feature on by default, but it's very simple to turn off. Let's go to Premiere Pro, Settings, Audio. Now, on this window, look for the checkbox saying Mute Input during Timeline Recording. On fresh installation for Premiere Pro, this should be unchecked. And it's what's causing all the trouble. Simply check the box, go to OK button, and that's it, guys. Now, every time you click on the microphone button to record some audio, you will no longer hear that echo feedback. That's extremely annoying, especially on a fresh installation of Premiere Pro. I know, guys, that it's possible to get stuck for hours on something like this, but hopefully this short tutorial helped you resolve this problem.